Prepositions of place: above, on top of, on. Use above when the two objects are not touching. Use on or on top of when the two objects are touching. The pictures are above the couch. The pillows are on the couch. Difference between on and on top of. Generally, we use on when it is a normal place to put something. The keys are on the table. And we use on top of when it is an unusual place to put something. The keys are on top of the refrigerator. Under, below, underneath, beneath. Use under when one object is covered by another. Use below when one object is in a lower position than the other. The ball is under the box. The ball is below the box. Underneath and beneath are more formal words for under and below. Behind, in front of. Use behind when object A is farther away from you than object B, and in front of when object A is closer to you than object B. In the first picture, the mouse is in front of the box. In the second picture, the mouse is behind the box. What about in back of? Some people say in back of for behind. Note that it's always in back of and never back of. We can also say in the back of to describe the back part of a space. Jonas and Gabriel like to sit in the back of the classroom so that the teacher can't see them. Between, beside, next to. Beside and next to are the same, but beside is a little more formal. In everyday English, we usually say next to. Between means that the object is in the middle of two other objects. Near, close to, by. These words all mean the same thing, that the distance between the two objects is small. Be careful not to confuse them. Close to is the only one that uses the word to. The ball is near to the box is incorrect. The correct sentences are, the ball is close to the box. The ball is near the box. The ball is by the box. Nearby is used without a direct object. It is generally used at the end of a sentence or phrase. The ball is nearby the box is incorrect. The correct sentence is, there's a box with the ball nearby. In, inside, within, into. In and inside mean the same thing in most cases. The mouse is in the box. The mouse is inside the box. The word into is actually a preposition of movement, not location. It means something is moving into a space. The ball is going into the box. The word within means inside a limit. The limit can be in place, time, or some other scale. There are 5 malls within 10 miles of here. She's written 3 books within the last year. The law didn't pass because of disagreements within the government. Out, outside, out of. Outside refers to location. In this case, we cannot use out. The dog is outside the doghouse. Out and out of usually suggest movement, not just location. Out of must always be followed by a noun. She ran out of the room. I'm bored. Let's go out.